Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I bought from Aldi this week. Done a food shop that will hopefully last us for a week, hopefully more, but you never know. Depends on how quickly or how hungry my kids are. We are a family that goes shopping when there's like one banana left. That is our cue that we need to go shopping ASAP, because if there's no bananas, that means there's no food left. So let me share with you now what I bought from Aldi, and after I've shown you the food I've got, I will show you the meals we are going to have. We'll start off here. We have some soy milk because it's pancake day next week, so we need to have some milk for the pancake batter. We have our favourite oat barista style milk, 16 of them because we go through it. And then we have 4 both-in-ones loaf of bread. Obviously they'll go in the freezer. It's just good for us just to have that in the freezer ready to go. And then cereal wise, we've got 2 boxes of the hoops, 2 boxes of shreddies, and then we also have some porridge oats as well. And then we have some black beans. I can't find these anywhere else really for a decent price, and they're in water, they're not salted. So I know they're in Aldi, so they're 49p each, so I've got 4 of those. Some self-raising flour and plain flour. As I mentioned, it's pancake day next week, so we need to make sure we have the flour for it. And also I want to do a bit more baking, so we may need some self-raising flour, some granulated sugar because we are running out, lemon juice because of the pancakes needs to be done. We got this is from the middle aisle. I wouldn't usually buy this from Aldi, but it was £5.50 I believe, and we usually get it elsewhere, and it's usually around £6 or £7, so I thought I might as well stock up because this is the stuff we go through a lot of. And we've gone a bit snack heavy this week, just because we need some quick and easy snacks for the kids when we like lunch boxes and whatnot, and we are thin on the ground at the minute, so I've just done a bit of a top up. So I've never seen these pack of 4 sweet corn rings from Aldi. They usually them individually, so I picked up the pack of 4. They also had the cauliflower ones as well, but I can't imagine how nice a cauliflower crisp would taste. So we've gone for the sweet corn rings. Also have some carrot puffs, some apple rice cakes, and then we have some dino fruit bars, the strawberry ones and some mango ones. These are great for after school snacks, and then also these dino swirl things. They don't come with a little card like the Au-Bear ones do, so they're a bit disappointing if your kids are used to those ones, but if they're not, then these are great alternatives. I've never seen these before. My daughter doesn't really have pouches much anymore because she's 18 months. The dairy-free porridges, and I thought they might be good for just a quick, need something quickly to fill her up. 99p each, which I don't think is too bad really. Biscuits, we have the caramelised ones, some OTs and some Oreos, or Biscoff, Hobnobs, or Oreos. And then some knobbly bobbly dupes. These are delicious. I wish they did them in smaller packets and multi-packs, but here we go. And then I've never seen these before in Aldi, did not need to buy them, but got swept up with the fact they are new and vegan. So we have some jelly cherries, vegan logo on them. So we have some cherries, some like jelly tot dupes, again vegan jelly tots. And these, oh my goodness, these are vegan Haribo. Look, the vegan sign. They've got eggs, they've got hearts, they've got everything. It's vegan Haribo. I'm so excited to try these. We've got 3 packs of those. Some Skips. And then the cleaning and miscellaneous stuff. We have some the Zaflora dupe. This is 99p each, and we use this to disinfect our surfaces. We've got 2 linen and 1 lavender. 2 easy toilet cleaner gels, some nappy pants, and some nappies for me as well. These are the middle aisle, they're £1.50 each. I just enjoy these quite a lot. And some grease-proof baking paper. These aren't actually for food because we use silicone mats for that. This is actually for using for an art office-esque thing. So that's what that's for. I didn't actually think Aldi would sell this, so I was pleasantly surprised. And then we're on to the frozen and fruit stuff. So we have some raspberries, I wonder how long these will last. Some avocados, a melon, I wonder how long that will last. And some strawberries and some grapes, I wonder how long those will last. As soon as my kids see them, they'll all be gone in the space of 24 hours. Cucumber, some lettuce, red onions, mushrooms, wonky peppers. We do have a red one in there, a rogue red one. 2 bunches of bananas, some sausages, 2 of these no chicken spicy burgers. Butter, this is only £1.25 in Aldi, which I don't think is too bad considering a lot of the time butter is very expensive in the bigger supermarkets. 2 of these juices are pineapple, banana and coconut, and strawberry and banana. Some vegan cheese, and then frozen wise we have alphabet letters, 2 frozen peas, hash browns, frozen broccoli and some regular chips. And that is everything I bought this week. Let me tell you the meals we have now. Apologies if you could hear some clunking just then. Just realised the tumble dryer was on trying to dry our bedding and that might have been a little bit noisy. The first meal we're having this week is Pad Thai. This is a meal kit I bought from Aldi a couple of weeks ago. It's just been in the cupboard. We also have tofu already in the fridge, so I'm going to use up the tofu, use this up, and we bought peppers today, which will go in the Pad Thai. So that is dinner number 1. Dinner number 2 is katsu curry. It is a Gusto recipe card. We love this. We'll use tofu and we already have sweet potatoes as well. So we will put breadcrumbs on tofu, sweet potatoes, and make a katsu sauce, which is delicious. Highly recommend that one too. The next recipe will be a Buddha bowl. Our favourite meal is a Buddha bowl. So I've got avocados for that, lettuce. We'll have that with rice, tofu, sweet potato and onions. Everything I didn't buy today, we already got in the fridge. So don't worry if you think you haven't seen any sweet potatoes. I've already got 2 bags of them in the fridge and they need using up. So that is why we're having a Buddha bowl. We're going to also have a shepherd's pie. Again, we've got plenty of white potatoes in the fridge already. And we just need to have a shepherd's pie. Although I am thinking, haven't actually got any mince. They didn't have any in Aldi. Maybe that'll be a lentil shepherd's pie. On the Friday, we are going to have a pizza. I will make the pizza dough because I can. I've got flour for it. So I'll make the pizza dough. We already have passata in the cupboards and I've got vegan cheese and we already have pineapple as well in the cupboards. So we will have just pineapple pizza. And then we're going to have a sausage pasta bake. I saw this from the Bosch recipe book and I've got sausages obviously as you would have seen. And so it's just going to be, I think, just red sauce, which we have already in the cupboards. It's going to be tomato sauce with some sausages, I suppose. I don't know. I've never made this recipe before, so hopefully it's delicious. But that's what we're having. And then the final meal we're going to have this week is going to be like 3 things on a plate. Your meat and 2 veg. So we'll have chips, peas, and then me and Sean maybe we'll have the chicken burgers, and the kids might have sausages again. Did I buy anything else the kids can have? No, nothing else the kids can have. We may already have some chicken nuggets in the freezer. I need to double check that. That could be an oversight on my part. I should have maybe bought something. Oops. And then I do actually have a Gusto recipe box being delivered next week sometime. We had a £20 voucher off of a box, so I thought I might as well utilise that. That is why I've only done a week's worth of food this week. This entire shop today came to £107, which I don't think is too bad. Obviously I had to buy cleaning bits and bobs, and so obviously that adds up. Bought things like peanut butter, which I don't usually buy, and obviously 16 cartons of milk adds up. So that is the food I have bought from Aldi this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been interesting for you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!